Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I can still have a great hair day even if I didn't just wash and style my hair when I use this 11 dry shampoo volume paste. I feel like it's a two-in-one product because when I use it, it takes away the oiliness that I might have at my roots, and it also gives my hair some very serious volume. And it's so easy to use. Just rub the paste between your fingers, softens it up, and then you apply it directly to the roots. And then just reapply until you have covered all of your trouble spots. And I just can't say enough about the scent. It is so beautiful and it really freshens my hair. I am loving the quick and easy results I get from Eleven's dry shampoo volume paste. And that's my point of view.